morning, y'all. We're back in the shop again, and we got the old JK back up on the lift, which seems to be an every video thing here recently. Let me show you what we got to put on now. Focus. There we go. We got a Curry anti-rock sway bar for the front. And of course, here's your brackets, your bushings, your actual sway bar, and then your mountain brackets. And then here is your sway bar links, and they got Heisman joints on them. So, and we're putting that on the front. So I still got to get the front one off. As you can see, it's still bolted on. So we got to get these off, both sides, and the bottom undone. Get this off out of the way, and we'll start on getting that one installed. Alright, just use the light over there off the window. We got the brackets on both sides. Remove the old sway bar. Got the brackets on, done got the bushing in this one, and now we're knocking in the sway bar itself. Well, moving the light out of my own way, as you can see, and we still got to put the bushing in here, which is, let's get over here to it. We got everything just stacked up where we opened it. Alright, now there's the bushings installed on both sides. And when you put these on, you need to make sure you've got it set on level ground and your Jeep is set in level, or vehicle, whatever you put them on. And your arms should stay straight in line with the frame. So that way if it's down on the ground, your suspension is up at normal ride height. Your bar will be straight across. Then when it's set down level, you put your own. That way you got the most flex down and the most flex up, and it's not too much in the down position or too much in the up position.
Okay, after you get the sway bar itself put in, the bushings knocked in, you just set the arms up on the end of the bushing, on the end of the control arm, and it takes a 14 and a 15 millimeter wrench and socket just to tighten that, snug it up. On each side. We'll connect the arms to the lower, but we'll leave it floating on the top until we let it down on the ground. And you still have to do some adjustment once you actually get it down. You may have to adjust a little bit on your first ride and, you know, get it to flex the way you want it to flex. But
right, as you can see, we've got the bars on now, which, I mean, it's kind of self-explanatory is really why I didn't show it. You literally just slide these on, and I think he actually showed you on the other side. Tighten this bolt down, put your retaining bolt in here, and then put your sway bar link on. You kind of want to get them adjusted, and like I said earlier, you want to kind of have these pretty level with the frame so you'll have the same motion down as you do up, and that's basically it. They look good on there too, so hopefully we'll be able to test them out this weekend or something, and we'll get you some good videos and let you see how they work. Hey, what's up, guys? We've been trying to figure out a way to show y'all how those anti-rocks work that we installed yesterday, and we're not, it's during the week, so we ain't really, you know, can't go on a trail or nothing, and I don't feel like it after work. But we come up with this idea to use the rollback. I mean, it ain't like it's an RTI ramp or nothing like that, but it still will show the difference in how you don't have to get out and unhook your sway bars anymore with an anti-rock. Let me show you. See, the only thing we did was just put the rollback's bed down, and he's going to get his Jeep, and then he'll just drive up this, and you'll be able to see how the anti-rock works. And this will be the first time we've tested them out, so y'all be able to see the same thing we're seeing. Let him drive up on it here, and then we'll take a look at the anti-rocks. That ought to be good just to be able to show it. Let's look at this one. Alright, you can see that one's basically perfectly level with the frame. Let me walk around. Now let's see what the passenger side looks like. As you can see, it's pointed straight up. But there's the reason why you don't have to get out and unhook them. So, yeah, so that works.